Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to do an eyeshadow look from the Subculture palette. I'm so excited, like so excited about this palette. Like my hands actually, y'all know that my hands always get actually. But so we're gonna work off of this palette today. I'm so excited. So this is the palette Subculture. It has the warm tones, like my favorite colors are in here. Like look at all those beautiful colors. We're gonna work with this green, the army green, fatigue green. We're gonna do something with that today. I don't know if I want to work with the yellow at all. I don't know what I should do, y'all. I'm still really debating. But we're gonna do something. I already did my brows, and y'all only just gonna get the eyeshadow in this video. I'll do the face look on a separate because I want to do something different with the face. So we're gonna focus on the eyeshadows today. First, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of the above, Pinterest, because I'm on there like all the time. Anywhere, and talk to me. I like to communicate with you guys. I've been so busy, like running around with a headless chicken. I barely be on my phone, but I'm trying to get back to that habit of being on my phone a lot, which is not good because I don't know, but what I do, I have to. Okay, so I already carved out the bottom of my brows. I have a brow tutorial I just posted, like literally just posted, like on past Friday, whatever, from whenever. And you can go check that out. I also posted some other videos. I'm trying to post every Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, things like that. So stay tuned for that. We'll see how that goes. But I've been pre-recording, like having like a record day. When I have a break, I'll just record like 3 or 5 videos and edit them as fast as I can and try to like record quicker too. Like, don't talk a lot. So this video, obviously, I'm not going to be talking a lot. I'm just really just going to be like showing you the shades, and I just figure that out. You'll see throughout the video what I do. But yeah, so that's what we're working on now. So yeah, let's go on to the video. Okay, so that's what the eyes look like. I try to do something fancy, you know. I have hooded eyes, but that's why everything's up higher. Let's go up, get a closer look. Excuse my skin, it looks really bad. It's winter, so I mean, it's cute. All the eyeshadows are from this palette, so grateful for that. But I am going to do my full face in another video, so if you want to go check that video out, it should be after this video. I posted it after this video. And to see the full face, I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek. So this is a sneak peek, y'all just see the eyes. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you want to see more of like the one palette type thing, like how, because some people like buy eyeshadows and don't know how to, like, you know, get creative. Literally every color on my eye is from that palette. So, and I use like 5 colors. So if you want to see that, more videos, I have a ton of palettes. Like, I have a ton. Like, this is only a few. I have like at least 30 palettes. But if you want to see more videos like that, let me know, and I'll be glad to do that. Like, request a palette and I'll just, yeah, most likely I'll have it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification on, follow me on my social medias. IG is tailoring_through_life. Y'all know how to spell it because it's literally the same spelling as my, you know, my name on here. And yeah, so, and don't forget to check out my brow video. That's also up. I have an Ipsy video. I've tried the Ipsy. I'm going to try it for 1 more month to see if I like it or not, but go see my honest review for the other one if you're interested in doing a makeup subscription. Go check my other videos out. Show me some love and I'll show you some back, and love you guys. I'll see you guys in the video.